Google is revolutionizing the way we experience television with the introduction of the ADT-3 and Android 10 for Android TV. With Android running on over 2.5 billion devices globally, the expansion into the living room is a significant step. Let's dive into what this means for developers and users alike. Android TV is Google's push to bring the Android experience to your television. It allows you to download and run apps from the Play Store, log into social media, use email, browse the internet, and much more. The global Android TV market was valued at USD 60,896.43 million in 2022 and is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 4.24% to reach USD 78,144.32 million by 2028. Despite lagging behind Samsung's Tizen and LG's Webos in market share, Android TV has seen compelling growth recently. Android 10, launched on September 3, 2019, is the next major version of Android. Initially rolled out on Google's Pixel smartphones, it brings a host of new features and improvements. Google announced that the Android 10 update for Android TV would roll out before the end of the year, and true to their word, it has arrived. This update aims to push out faster updates in the future, thanks to Project Treble. Android 10 introduces several key features. The dark theme offers a system-wide dark mode, making it easier on the eyes, especially indoors. Smart Reply provides more useful suggestions in all messaging apps. New privacy settings include a dedicated privacy section, separate permissions for videos, photos, downloads, and audio, and redesigned location permissions. Live Caption brings subtitles to anything you play, such as videos, calls, and podcasts, without needing an internet connection. These features enhance user experience and provide added privacy and convenience. To support the development of Android TV, Google introduced the ADT-3 media streaming device. This successor to the ADT-2 is powered by a quad-core A53 processor, 2 GB of DDR3 RAM, and can output 4K at 60 frames per second through an HDMI 2.1 output. The ADT-3 comes pre-certified to run Google apps and services and is guaranteed to receive timely updates and security patches. It will be available to developers through an OEM partner in the coming months. Google's long-term vision for Android TV was outlined at the annual International Broadcasting Convention. The presentation, given to TV and set-top box manufacturers, operators, and content providers, highlighted Google's commitment to the success of their Android TV business. With reduced OS fragmentation, Android TV doesn't need a major OS update to introduce new features, unlike Android smartphones. Google's introduction of the ADT-3 and Android 10 for Android TV marks a significant step in revolutionizing the television experience. With new features, improved privacy settings, and a dedicated development device, the future of Android TV looks promising. Stay tuned for more updates as Google continues to innovate and enhance the Android TV platform.